Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning podcast. My name is Lisa.
And my name is Paul. Hi, friends. We are so happy that you are here with us today.
Yes, thank you for listening. Today we have a fun topic, something many people do almost every day.
That's right. Today, we are going to the coffee shop.
Coffee shops. The smell of coffee, the sound of milk steaming, the feeling of sitting down with a warm drink.
And of course, the delicious snacks.
Haha, yes, snacks too. But also, coffee shops are a great place to practice English.
Exactly. You can learn how to order, ask about prices, and even chat with the barista or with friends.
So today we'll practice simple conversations at the coffee shop. You will learn how to order coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, choose a snack, ask about sizes and prices, do some small talk while waiting, and be polite in English.
And of course, we'll also share some cultural tips about coffee shop life in English-speaking countries.
Yes, so stay with us until the end. And don't just listen, speak with us.
Repeat the words, practice the sentences. Pretend you are right here with us, standing at the coffee shop counter.
Are you ready?
Okay, let's begin. So, Lisa, imagine we open the door and we walk into the coffee shop.
Yes, the door makes a little sound. Ding, ding. And we see people waiting in line.
We go to the counter. The person behind the counter is the barista.
Good word. Let's practice. Barista.
Yes, friends, say it with us. Barista.
A barista is the person who makes and serves the coffee.
Now, what's the first thing the barista usually says?
They usually say, "Hello, what can I get for you?" Or, "Hi, what would you like today?"
Right, very common. Let's practice. Repeat after us. Hello, what can I get for you?
Good. And another one, "What would you like today?"
Perfect.
Now, I love coffee, so when it's my turn, I say, "Hi, I'd like a cappuccino, please."
Yes, that's a great sentence. Simple and polite. I'd like is very useful.
Right. I'd like means I want, but it's more polite.
Exactly. Let's practice. Say it with us. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Again, "I'd like a cappuccino, please."
One more time, louder. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Great job.
Let's try other drinks. Lisa, give me some examples.
Sure. "I'd like a latte, please." "I'd like an espresso, please." "I'd like an iced coffee, please." "I'd like a hot chocolate, please."
And I like tea, so I say, I'd like a green tea, please. I'd like an English breakfast tea, please. I'd like a chai latte, please.
Ooh, chai latte. Yummy.
Friends, now it's your turn. Repeat after us. I'd like a latte, please.
Good. Next. "I'd like an espresso, please."
Nice. One more. I'd like a hot chocolate, please.
Perfect.
Now, in many coffee shops, you can choose a size.
Yes, usually small, medium, or large.
The barista may ask, what size?
Or, "Would you like small, medium, or large?"
For example, I say, large, please.
And I say, "Medium, please."
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Small, please. Medium, please. Large, please.
Good. And sometimes coffee shops have special names for sizes.
Yes, for example, Starbucks has tall grande venti.
That can be confusing, but don't worry, just remember, tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large.
Yes. But in most coffee shops, just small, medium, large is fine.
Okay, coffee is great, but what about food?
Yes. Coffee shops usually have snacks. Cookies, muffins, sandwiches, cake, croissants.
I love blueberry muffins,
And I love chocolate chip cookies.
so I can say, "Can I have a blueberry muffin, please?"
Or, can I have a chocolate cookie, please?
Repeat after us. "Can I have a muffin, please?"
Can I have a cookie, please?
Good job.
Let's try more examples. Lisa, you order and I'll be the barista.
Okay. "Hi, can I have a croissant, please?"
Sure, anything to drink?
"Yes, a cappuccino, please."
Great.
See? Very simple.
Sometimes we don't know the price, so we can ask, how much is it?
Yes, easy and useful. Say it with us. "How much is it?"
The barista may answer, it's $3, or it's $2.50.
Let's practice it. "How much is it?" "It's $3.
Good.
Now we pay. We can say, "I'll pay by card."
Or, I'll pay in cash.
Yes. Repeat after us. I'll pay by card. I'll pay in cash.
Perfect. Sometimes, while the barista makes the drink, there is small talk.
Yes, like, how's your day?
Or, it's really busy today.
Or, the weather is nice.
For example, I say, it's cold outside today.
And I say, yes, a hot coffee is perfect.
Exactly.
Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Let's role play.
Imagine you are the customer. I will be the barista. Ready? Hello. What can I get for you?
Good. Now, choose a size. Small, medium, or large.
Excellent. And would you like a snack?
Perfect. See? You can do it.
Now let's switch. I'll be the customer, you be the barista.
Hi, I'd like a latte, please.
Good. Ask me the size. Medium, please. Nice. That was fun.
Now, let's talk about culture. In many English-speaking countries, people often say please and thank you at the coffee shop.
Yes, it's very important. Being polite makes the interaction friendly.
Also, in some countries like the United States, people give a tip.
Yes. Sometimes there is a tip jar near the counter. People put in $1 or some coins.
But in other countries like the UK, tipping is less common in coffee shops.
Right? So it depends on the country.
Another tip. If the coffee shop is very busy, keep your order short and clear.
Yes. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just say, latte, medium, please. That's enough.
Okay, friends. Today we practiced so many useful sentences at the coffee shop.
Yes, let's review. I'd like a coffee, please. What size? Small, medium, large. Can I have a muffin, please? How much is it? I'll pay by card. Thank you.
Great job.
Remember, practice these sentences with a friend or even practice alone at home.
Yes, pretend your kitchen is a coffee shop. Play both roles.
We hope this helps you feel more confident next time you go to a real coffee shop.
Thank you for learning with us today.
And remember, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep enjoying English.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.